captivating viewers. The optic view on your screens is seen. And welcome to the first chapter of my digital journal. Guys, this is actually my first vlog, and it's a holiday vlog. Yeah guys, it's a holiday vlog. We are going on a vacation, vacay. So I'm currently with my cousin. We're preparing for the trip. So yeah, I think you guys must prepare with us, like get ready with us. Guys, I can't really make noise because we're in the bathrooms and there's people. Yeah guys, it's the 24th of December, the day of the trip. We're going to Mbombela. See Mbombela buffet. We're currently at our zoo. Just to cool off, get some snacks, get some food and eat and stuff like that. Yeah. Bayolina, Katrolina, Udefimina. Hey, caution. Yeah, Skadile Alzu. Skadile Alzu. What's the KFC ingale? But KFC ingale. Ngizobasho nami, akusho mina, akusho bona. Ngisho njalo skoko. Thula amabota. Bathi kono. Snokonoko. Asnokonoko. Ay onoroko kantingi. Snokonoko. Onoroko. Yeah, bantu benkosi. Yo, simile right now. Asazi ngenzanani ngathi there's a car accident. Nje yabona ke manje ayi bafethu. Sayaphi konje Mr. What? Ah bro, and because it's ngabo 11.
Bro, and ngathi car accident. Bengi tempted ukubuza lolona.
Ish,
lawyer.
Mase uphuma sonke emotweni. Like I don't know what's happening. Nje. We are stuck in the middle of I don't know where. Oh man. Look at I don't know. I think there's a car accident and right now we're just stuck and yeah. Elaine. Simbo. Nakuputamuzenzi content creator. Lapo yim content creator endlini. Is it a car accident? It's not such a long ass line. It just goes all the way to Yo, and someone's car is actually leaking. Hi, Buffett. Should it's Sazolinda kancane. Sazohlala kancane. It's moving. Finally. Oh, that didn't take time, was that wasn't too long. Guys, we are at Muchado Plaza, the most expensive tollgate in South Africa. I don't know how I'm gonna show y'all.
Kind of mixing of roads and things like that.
It is.
South Africa,
man. If a vehicle like moto nje lefana neyethu 122 rand. Yeah. Mara because thina bayasazi vele sadlula like ngisho like Muchado like yabo Muchado kahle kahle igama lamkhulu wami basekhaya boMchado. So yeah, like
it was so awkward. I was alone. It was just me and him.
Yeah, but it's nice to look at. It's really nice to look at. Like I feel like I heard nature calling my name. Like the mountain just says Sine. Okay.
So today we are somewhere. At least.
I can't say the shit.
Arrive at Long Tom Toboggan.
At Misty Mountains. Yo, ivoice yami shebe kuyazwakala ukuthi ngikhathele. Sisi Misty Mountains, Long Tom Toboggan. Thank you. It actually looks nice as.
I thought it was gonna be like earthy.
Expecting my mountain nan. Yo, sise. What?
Welcome to the lollies, guys. We're not in the lollies.
This is what the song about my shoelace.
This is better than the lollies. Guys, we were supposed to be here by 11, but it's currently bomba 12 because of lama taxi when hey abantu be taxi industry. Yababon.
Guys, it's such a pretty place.
Actually, guys, I didn't think it would be so pretty. Actually, I don't know what I was expecting. I was expecting God's window vibes.
Yeah, Nama was also expecting our God's window. But it's actually quite aesthetically pleasing. Beautiful we are. 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 As we are at Misty Mountains, look at how pretty this place is. Like, I saw the other place, the side. It has sort of like playground. Oh, kuhle bakithi apha kuhle. And I think it's more of like a, I wouldn't want to say hotel, but yeah, lodge-ish, like boma lekumuzi kind of vibe. Mara, this is so pretty. Like, yoshem, like sekunda as na next bakithi. Look at this wait. Let me show you. Oh, and then these are the rooms, but we're not gonna sleep here, obviously. Tina solala Mbombela. We just came here for the tom, yay, as in long tom again. Look at the chairs over there, but it's not painted, so doesn't really look like nice. But this, like for Christmas, for Christmas, this thingy venue for like Christmas events is very cute because kids can play over here. Yeah, guys, I also saw the pool. It's quite a big pool, and yeah, man, ish. Ngijabulile, angazi ukuthi ngizenzeni. Akithi even kayiketsang. Yeah, so beautiful. Temana yini bekakaka ngicocekeni Miss Alba isoloko iyamnyisa Miss Alba. Oh, this is the bar. The bar looks nice. Sanbanan Yapila. This is the bar. It looks so nice. Guys, the view. The view. So the view looks so pretty. Like, wow. Wow, this is so pretty. No.
Show me I don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me love so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me love, don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me love so sweet like honey, don't need no talking.
Hi, can we take a picture by the quad bikes? Thank you.
Awesome. Beautiful. We are guys, so cute. I'm a quad bike right now. I'm so excited. I've been saying I'm excited, yo. Beautiful, yeah. No taganyana la yabo. Be careful ngoba ngithanda ukuwa. Beautiful we are.
We don't know.
Guys, mina angazi ngivele ngibe ne-social anxiety makusele ngicela izinto so angazi ngizalani.
Basabisile.
Yo. Bayosho ukuthi labantwana bayaphapha yo. Okay, the pictures.
Fun.
Guys, senza logo.
Oh my word.
But who's going to take a video of me? Ngizocela lokhu ngibambele.
Esayithanda phone.
Ayinokuthi sengingavuma. Thina mkhosi on. We are leaving. Tell me what's your bad boy, you left me. Awusicale mini aziwe ini ubumnandi siqale emini. Nangoke. Nature say hi. Nature tulile, nature asaba bakithi. Akuqala abantu abadala. Thank you. Tema. We're done with the toboggan. Woo! That was amazing. Like, that was so tea. Yeah, and I'm sure let me cup. Actually, I have water. Can you please give me my bottle? I have water. She's no, they're not. Oh, she's smelling. We're not going to Mbombela. Mbombela, here we come.
No, that ain't 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Guys, that was fun.
That was so fun.
It was so nice.
Highly recommend.
Yeah. Sabi. Yeah. Long Tom Tobacco at Sabi.
If you love adrenaline,
yes, it's
for you.
It's at Mountain Mist. Misty Mountain. Yeah.
And you will see her status says she's playing my song. Check BBM. And you will see her status says
Mbombela abantu benkosi. Sesifikile. Oh guys, I can't hear myself. If nyarasa. Madle bamavalekile shem.
I was about to say it because I actually like the song.
Demo wena.
In 400 meters, turn right onto Madiba Drive.
Yo, we are way ahead of schedule too, right?
Bro. Na Riverside.
You need Riverside.
Nas, who's my from? Ngiyashisa nyalo shema. Semaswatini manje.
Yeah.
Ithini imbokodo? Ngiyasati iswati. Ngiyapretend. What's always? I love my Swati people. Kamadoli. Konje bathi kamabani? Mamntombi. Kamantombi mara kamatume. Arrived at our home for the weekend, home for the holiday. Guys, look at how nice. Let me show you from the outside. Look at how the sun. Yalla, look at how nice this estate is. Guys, it's so pretty. It's pretty home. I hope I need pool because I want to swim. It's so hot. Guys, this is the thingy, the rooms. This is one of the rooms, and then this one is the other bedroom. I don't know, maybe I'll probably sleep in this one because at least the toilet is here. Like it's very pretty. It's a pretty room, and in this space. I wonder Malin length. The house, the pictures in Tatala. At the mall. Matumi Mall. We're at the mall. Yabo ko tripod manje ifone ko sengibambe so angikhoni. Checkers yabo nina libulwe.
Yay!
Ina libulwizi checkers yabone.
Ye pet shop yabo.
Hayo.
How to check us if the little one.
The checkers ina bulwizi. We're going to the pool. Oh, I don't want to show. Yeah, I don't want to show too much skin, but we're going to the pool. Gashisa, Jay, I was just your pool. That's so swimmer. Yeah, Nshile. Here's what, like, Nangon. Nshile Shem. What if I say the pool and then Tina says Shinchile? That would be so funny.
Embarrassing, low key.
Yeah, it would.
But we don't know these people, so why would I have a shame?
They also don't know us. We don't know them, they don't know us, so bye. Yeah. Like, yeah. Guys, we just got to the pool and it looks like that. I can't open with my fingers. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. Hey guys. Guys. I was like, I really want to do something else, but like ngifuna ukuswima but angikhona ukuswima kakhulu because so silenzi indaba ye-tripod.
Yes, mara mzoyibamba.
It's in, are we cool?
Y'all can't see, but I can.
Guys, I'm so upset. Like, our VKK home. I look like I have my finger. Our VKK home is very pretty.
I'm not going to float over there. I'm going to float. And then he's so proud. Mama Yalena.
Guys, I don't know what's up. I'm going to test. I'm going to test. I mean, so pela si December. So pela. It's deep, like deep. This girl, she thinks she's cool, and she's not.
I don't know how to swim.
Okay,
I
Zama,
just think get a man's
doggy paddle then, doggy paddle. This is for my vlog. I want us to take us out here.
Yeah, guys. So we are back at the houses from my chips. Cause gulama rules and regulations. You're pushing our rules and regulations. Like
Allowed. And I want to charge you guys because you guys are flat as what?
the fudge.
Like me flat.
Marai, guys, this house is beautiful. Yeah, it's jealous.
Came home. We bought this house.
Anyway, it's my own charge again.
Yeah. Guys, we're back from swimming and we're waiting for the food to get ready. Yeah, because nebazi abantu abakwazi ukusave samba nomunye umuntu disciplined akadlali emalini. So yeah, while we wait for the food, we're gonna play imposter. So, you told it imposter? Sharp. So the imposter, these are the rules of the game. So you get a word, try and describe the object or whatever. So by 2 rounds, then at the end, okay, so to ban the imposter.
You must describe it somehow. Without saying this.
Basically, Christmas. Because I'm describe a land. Chocolate. Okay. Who's the imposter? It's Chris. It's ice cream. Okay. Hey guys. Hey guys. Merry Christmas. It's the morning of Christmas Day. Bye, Russell. It's the day. It's Christmas Day. Bye bye, Russell.
You make every day feel like it's Christmas.
But yeah, it's Christmas.
Never wanna stop. Feeling like a birthday
Today we're
on
going.
wish list.
In fact, as in, it's really good. I'm going.
Feeling inside.
Why am I taking this?
You make every day feel like
Christmas.
Christmas. I'm with you.
Mas was tosh.
Nights twinkling bright.
So clean.
Oh, puts me so every time I decrease,
So clean my husband people.
every time I decrease, that's what it makes.
Mas was tosh. Guys, today is one of the best days of the year. It is Jesus Christ's birthday. Yes. So we need to celebrate. We're celebrating everything that He has done for us here. We're celebrating His life, my creator, for being our Lord and Savior.
I started hearing Mariah Carey and I woke up fully. I was like,
In 500 meters, arrive at Lisbon Falls.
We are at Lisbon. What Falls? Yes, Lisbon Falls. We're here to see the waterfalls. Yeah. Guys, this is so beautiful. Yeah, we are done with the waterfalls. We are going to the gorge. The gorge. So guys, change of plans. We decided to pass by Echo's window before going to the gorge. Yeah, just to like wanna ifastera nkulunkulu. Thank you. Say you're having fun. Okay. We're at the peak. We're done. And yeah, we're going to the gorge now. Yo, I can't wait, guys. Like, I can't wait for the zip lining because I think that's the most exciting thing. And yeah. You'll be there for me then. Na, 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 na. She said the gorge, beautiful people. She said the gorge. And how much is the entrance fee? Oh, Tina, 4 to 16 under 4 are free. Tina 37 rand. And then Nina 75 rand. Yeah. Now the gorge.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away.
We are ready for the cliff walk. Ish. Go. We are ready for the cliff walk. So we want to take a few pictures before we go to the cliff walk thing. This is how the attire looks. Not attire, but like, these are the safety things. Guys, we are starting with the cliff walk, but I don't think I'll get enough footage because apparently I'm not allowed to like hold the phone myself. So the guide, the cliff walk guide is gonna hold the phone for me, but I don't think he'll take good footage. So we'll just, yeah. Are we going home? We're going home now.
came out of the gorge. I'm feeling gorgeous now.
I know, he's trying to help you vlog. Guys, we just got back from Graskop. We're in Mbombela. We're at home now, and yeah, we're just gonna chill for a bit, and then them and I are gonna go and swim again because it's really hot. Like, can you see the sun? Like, it's really hot. So we're gonna go and swim, but I don't know whether I'm going to show you guys that experience because my phone is low battery. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe. At least give me ideas. Yeah, I'm open to constructive criticism. If you want me to change something, maybe I'm doing it wrong, feel free to tell me, as long as it's from a good heart. Yeah, please enjoy.
I don't wanna lie.